A big welcome back to Whiteboard Finance, ladies and gentlemen. I am so proud to announce that today marks the 1-year anniversary of since I started my YouTube channel. I posted my first video on November 17th of 2017, and if you watch till the end of this video, I'll post a little clip of what that first video looked like. It's almost like night and day. So I'm going to keep this short and sweet, everybody. I just really want to thank all my subscribers, both new and old, the people that have been with me for a day or the people that have been with me for a year. I appreciate and respect all you guys the same. I really appreciate all the support, you guys. So as everyone knows, I hit a little bit of a rough patch where I stopped posting for about 5 or 6 months due to family reasons and also a little bit of travel. But now I'm back in it and I cannot wait to keep this up, you guys. I plan on being on YouTube for a very long time. So I just want to give a quick shout out to all the channels that showed me much love and much respect throughout the years. Starting with Ryan Scribner. If you guys don't know Ryan Scribner, he's at about 304,000 subscribers at this point, you guys, and he does a little bit of everything, a little bit of personal finance, entrepreneurship, and stocks. Ryan and I actually created a course about 8 months ago, and that was it was fun to say the least. He came into Cleveland, I took him out downtown a little bit, and we just went out. So much respect to Ryan. I wish you much success, brother. The Monk Way always shouted me out, man. I remember when he hit 10,000 subscribers, he shouted out my channel, and that really meant a lot to me. So I just want to shout him out as well. I'm sitting at about 12,600 subscribers, but I can't believe it's been a year that Monk, Ryan, and everyone else have been making videos around finance. So a big shout out to the Monk Way. Nate O'Brien is a great dude. I'm so glad to see his channel blowing up. He's at 45,000 subscribers, and I can't believe it. I remember when Nate was at 7, 8, 9,000 when I was just starting on YouTube. So big respect to Nate. Thank you so much, buddy. I always look forward to speaking with you. And a big shout out to Positive Investing. We've always bantered back and forth, whether it be on our channels in the comments section, or whether it be through email and just, staying in touch. So big shout out to Nick at Positive Investing. Keep doing your thing, buddy. So finally, you guys, I'm actually at about 12,600 subscribers right now. The channel has evolved from personal finance to real estate investing to stocks, a little bit of entrepreneurship and car flipping here and there. But I'm focusing mostly on stocks now because it's a low barrier to entry. I really think that a lot of people, if they have a couple $100, they can really get started in the stock market. Things like real estate investing, they can be a little bit expensive up front. So check this out, you guys. I'm going to go to my videos here, and I'm actually going to sort by date added oldest. And you can see this says 11 months ago. It's actually a year ago, you guys. How to establish credit. So check this out. Sorry, I know I'm getting chopped off here.
Ways to help establish your credit and put you on the road to financial success. Welcome to Whiteboard Finance, where we help you master your money and build your wealth. Today we're going to be talking about establishing credit. But first, I want to get into 6 reasons why establishing credit is so important. The first is lower interest rates. Having an established credit score, and a good one at that, will actually help you become less risky to the banks. This means that they'll give you loans.
Look at this young buck. Look at this young buck. Unbelievable. So there you have it, everybody. That was me 1 year ago, standing in front of the whiteboard, drawing all the little emojis and things like that. I can't believe how much the channel has evolved over the past year. I know I took a little bit of a hiatus, but I'm back stronger than ever, and I cannot wait to be here for the long run. Keep a lookout, you guys. I got live streams going on every Saturday. I got live interviews, which I really like doing. I have interviews through the computer, through Zoom, which is where we record conference calls for YouTubers that are a little bit more farther away. We have so much value coming through this channel, and I'm definitely going to be doing videos in front of the whiteboard. I've just been caught up with so many videos in person and interviews and things like that. I went to the West Side Market to interview people about stock market terminology. I interviewed Will Motivation in Columbus last weekend. So it's really nice to be able to get out and connect with all these different people. So I hope you're getting value from the channel, you guys. All I ask is that if you can just share the channel with one person, whether it be a friend or a family member, I'll be so grateful to you. But here's to 1 year in the books. Here's to hopefully another 100. Thank you so much and have a prosperous day.